Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. You can see the problem here, the integration of the log of 5x. I wanted to do this problem for you because this is one of the tricks of when you have a times in logs, you separate them, with a plus sign here. So it's a log of 5 plus log of x. But I do that in the program here. You press enter to get to my main menu, and you've got integration by parts here. You have to buy these programs now. They're not in the calculator, okay? And then you load them in there. Over 500 of them now that you get for $40, and it'll help you pass calculus. I've done the study for you. We press enter here for the integration by parts, and now we're going to enter the function by pressing alpha first in my programs. Alpha, and then second, x is the log function of 5 times x, close off the parentheses. Let's see if we've entered it correct. Yes, we have, so we say OK, and we start the operation. Here's log of 5 plus log of x. We separated the 5x, 5 times x, okay? If there's a division sign, 5 divided by x, this would be a minus sign, okay? You learn that in junior college or someplace. Maybe not calculus 3. You're supposed to know this stuff before you get there. Integral of both those functions in, and the integral of 5 is x times log of 5 plus c, integral of the next one, log of x dx, and we rewrite it and put this 1 in here, okay? It's one of the tricks, another trick. Calculus loves tricks. And we're going to do integration by parts. U equals log of x, du equals 1 over x dx, okay? dv equals 1. That's a dv is a derivative. And we're going to integrate that. V is equal to the integral of 1 equals x plus c. And the formula, we put the x times log of 5 plus the, because remember all this here is involved with the log of x, the second integral that we're doing. So this is what that equals. Here's the first integral that we found, x times log of 5. And we enter the unknowns here. I do that for you automatically. Just write this stuff on your paper. And we do the integration of 1, which is x. And then we find the answer, x times log of 5 plus x times log of x minus 1. Now we've factored out the x here from this equation up here. And pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs. You'll never spend anything more better than to buy my programs for $40, okay? You get 500 plus programs. Load them into your calculator here. And of course physics too. Don't forget about physics. They're both extremely difficult classes. Otherwise you can just study for weeks, study for days, and you'll never get it. Okay, there's too much to study. You don't know what to study. That's all in the menus there. All the problems you have is in my main menu. So think about that. Plus you have it for life. You'll never throw this calculator out unless you sell it. You sell it with the programs, you're going to get more money. But I would keep it for your future. Most of you are going to have a partner later on, a wife, kids, whatever, that are going to take calculus, and you have all the answers right here in this calculator, okay? Throw out your book. You never use that again. Throw out your study materials. Never use that again. Don't ever throw this out when my program's in there, okay? So anyways, have a good one. Good luck in your classes.